Introducing the Thermophore MaxHeat Petite, specifically designed for arthritis sufferers. With its new 4-stage therapy switch, you can now enjoy optimum 20-minute treatments with just a simple one-touch control. The auto shut-off timer ensures safety and convenience, making it easy to use. This device produces intense moist heat without the need to add water, providing fast-acting therapy that relieves pain and stiffness for hours. The compact size of 4x17 makes it perfect for neck and petite sizes, allowing you to target specific areas of discomfort. When not in use, the Thermophore MaxHeat Petite can be easily stored away in its shipping carton, measuring 18 liters x 9W x 5 hours. Say goodbye to arthritis pain with this effective and efficient heating pad.